Money has come a long way since the days of bartering and trading goods. From seashells and beads to gold coins and paper money, the forms of money have changed throughout history. And now, with the advent of digital technology, we are seeing a new era of finance that is shaping the future of money in ways we never thought possible. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and new developments are being made every day. From digital payments to cryptocurrency, these new technologies are making it easier and more efficient to handle money. In this video, we'll review 4 trends about the future of money. Are you ready? Let's go! Number 1. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a rapidly growing area of finance that has been gaining significant attention in recent years. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies are decentralized, meaning they operate independently of central banks or governments. They make sure transactions are safe by using complex algorithms and cryptography. This makes them a good choice for people who want a more private and secure way to manage their money. One of the biggest advantages of cryptocurrency is the speed of transactions. Transactions can be completed in a matter of minutes, whereas traditional bank transfers can take several days to clear. Because cryptocurrency runs on a decentralized network, it doesn't have to follow the same rules and pay the same fees as traditional banks. This means that users don't have to pay as much to make a transaction. Another advantage of cryptocurrency is its potential for appreciation. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate greatly, and some investors have seen significant returns on their investments. However, it should be noted that the value of cryptocurrencies can also drop dramatically, making it a high-risk investment. Cryptocurrency is also being adopted by more and more merchants and businesses, making it a more mainstream form of payment. This can make it more convenient for consumers to use, as they can make purchases without the need for cash or credit cards. With the growing interest in this technology, it is worth keeping an eye on its development and potential use cases. Number 2. Contactless payments. Contactless payments are becoming increasingly popular as technology advances and consumers demand more convenient and secure ways to make transactions. With the implementation of credit cards with embedded chips, individuals are now able to make payments with a simple tap of their card, rather than having to swipe or insert it into a machine. This not only speeds up the transaction process, but also reduces the risk of card skimming and other forms of fraud. Many retailers and businesses are now offering contactless payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay, making it easier for customers to use this convenient method. As contactless payments become more common, they are changing the way we buy things, making them faster, safer, and more convenient for consumers. Contactless payments can be used not only for in-store purchases, but also for online transactions and peer-to-peer payments. Many mobile banking apps now allow customers to make payments using their smartphones, using the same contactless technology. This makes it easy for people to transfer money to friends and family, pay bills, and make online purchases, without the need to enter card details or personal information. Likewise, contactless payments can be made for transportation. Many public transportation systems now accept contactless payments, making it easy for commuters to pay fares without the need to carry cash or purchase physical tickets. This not only speeds up the boarding process, but also reduces the risk of lost or stolen tickets. Contactless payments have many benefits for consumers and businesses alike. They are faster, more secure, and more convenient. With the increasing adoption of this technology, it is likely that contactless payments will soon become the norm for making transactions. It is a smart move to be familiar with and equipped with this technology to make your transactions more efficient and secure. Number 3. Digital payments. Digital payments have become increasingly popular in recent years. With the rise of smartphones and mobile technology, it's now possible to make transactions with just a few clicks. This has led to a shift in the way we handle money and has made it easier and more convenient for people to make transactions. One of the main benefits of digital payments is the increased security they provide. Traditional methods of payment, such as cash and checks, can be easily lost or stolen. Digital payments, on the other hand, use encryption and other security measures to protect the user's personal information. This makes it much harder for fraudsters to steal sensitive information and use it for illegal activities. Another benefit of digital payments is the speed and convenience they offer. With digital payments, transactions can be completed in just a few seconds. This is much faster than traditional methods of payment, such as writing a check or counting cash. Digital payments also allow for easy tracking and account management, which makes it easier for users to keep track of their spending and budget. Digital payments can also help businesses save money. Transactions made through digital payments are cheaper and faster than traditional payments, which means that businesses can save money on transaction fees and other costs. This is particularly beneficial for small businesses, which often have limited resources and need to keep costs low. The rise of digital payments has had a significant impact on the way we handle money. With more and more people using digital payments, we can expect to see even more innovations in the future that will make it even easier and more convenient to make transactions. Number 4. QR codes. QR codes are a simple and convenient way to make payments, and they are becoming increasingly popular among merchants and consumers alike. QR codes are two-dimensional barcodes that can be scanned using a smartphone camera and a QR code reader app. This technology allows merchants to accept payments from customers without the need for cash, credit cards, or other traditional forms of payment. One of the biggest advantages of QR codes is that they are easy to use. Customers can simply scan the code with their smartphone to complete a transaction, making it a fast and convenient way to make payments. QR codes are also digital, so they are easy to share and store. This makes them a great choice for online transactions. Another advantage of QR codes is that they are secure. The information encoded in the QR code is encrypted, making it difficult for hackers to access or steal sensitive information. Additionally, many QR code payment systems also use additional security measures, such as biometric authentication or one-time passwords, to further protect against fraud. They are also versatile and can be used for a variety of purposes. They can be used for in-store payments, online purchases, peer-to-peer transfers, and even for making donations to charitable organizations. They can also be used to store and share contact information, links to websites, and other types of data. Finally, QR codes are a quick and easy way to make payments. They are easy to use, secure, and versatile. They are becoming more popular among merchants and consumers, and they can be used for a variety of purposes. With the growing use of smartphones, QR codes are likely to become more prevalent as a way to make payments and exchange information. It's worth considering as a payment method, especially for small businesses, since they can easily set it up, and it can save them the cost of a point-of-sale system. These are just a few examples of the many ways in which technology is revolutionizing the way we handle money. From contactless payments to cryptocurrency, the future of finance is being shaped by innovation and technology. Every day, new and exciting things happen that give us a glimpse into a world where transactions are quick, safe, and easy. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more developments in the world of finance. New forms of digital payments, such as facial recognition and biometric authentication, are being developed, making transactions even more secure. Cryptocurrency is also becoming more popular, and more businesses and shops are starting to accept it as a way to pay. The future of money is here, and it's an exciting time to be alive. With the advancements in technology, we are seeing a shift in the way we handle our money, making transactions faster, more secure, and more convenient than ever before. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about what new developments the future holds. Embrace the future and be a part of this revolutionary change in the way we handle our money. The future is now, and it's time to join in. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel.